Hurricane Orion has been upgraded to Category 5. We have less than 12 hours.
National emergency, Category 5 hurricane warning.
Please, just listen to me.
I need this water more than you do.
Everyone, calm down. We have to go!
Mandatory evacuation now in effect.
We need to move everything away from the windows.
Is everyone safe?
Oh Lord, hear my prayer, and let my cry come to you.
Faster! The lines! Hold it steady! Oh, no, look out! Get to safety! Run, run!
Get out now! This way!
The hurricane has made landfall. Conditions are catastrophic. We're losing power! The city is...
We'll be okay.
Relief teams are en route.
Get those boats in the water! We need to move now! We need to move!
This is a massive tree!
Stay strong.
Rescue teams are on their way. You are not alone. We have made a major breach. I can't hear you.
him on the roof! Oh! Hang on! We need more saline bags over here.
It has been 6 months since the hurricane made landfall. Today, the city stands tall once again, a symbol of...
We will rebuild. United for recovery. One nation, one heart.
Hope never fades.
Double hurricane warning. Landfall imminent.
This can't be real.
It's not 2 storms anymore. It's 1, and it's accelerating.
Attention zone. All residents must evacuate immediately. Category 7 system approaching the coast.
This way. The stairwell's still standing.